A yam is not white, Sam.
Oh my gosh, they make white yams.
Do they?
Yes.
Welcome to Poosh Palette, where we are going to be cooking today, and you can find all the recipes on poosh.com. This is Sam, one of my best friends since high school, and we haven't cooked together in
a really long time.
A really long time.
2 decades.
I feel like the side dishes are super important, and so we're gonna make 2 side dishes, one that's vegetarian, one that's vegan.
Yeah, so this is a Kris Jenner recipe.
It is.
An original.
But I've mastered
From
it.
back in the day that Kourtney's mastered. So she's gonna show us how to make Kris's green bean casserole.
And this is one of my mom's, I guess this is my mom's favorite green bean casserole recipe.
It's all organic,
Modified
so we have
version.
organic French cut green beans, organic cream of mushroom soup, and organic fried onion rings. All right, so let's pour in the green beans first.
So fancy, the way you shake it.
So you kind of even it all out. Now let's
Okay,
do
so we need to spread it. This is honestly the easiest thing to make. Wait, I feel like my kids would love this.
All right, should we layer these on top?
Yeah, so it's fully covered.
We washed our hands.
I didn't.
All right, so we're gonna bake it on 350 for 30 minutes or until golden brown.
I feel like every recipe of my mom's is 350 for 30 minutes. All right, I'm gonna set the timer on my phone for 30 minutes.
Yeah, and we'll come back, we'll see the finished product, and
taste
we're gonna move on to another amazing side dish.
We are going to make
Candied
candied sweet potatoes, which I personally have always made this with yams. Then I make sweet potato souffle,
Okay.
which I think we could also put the recipe on Poosh just for fun.
So this one we're making vegan. So we have vegan
Yes.
marshmallows, and we are doing a margarine, like a vegan butter.
So I love that this way is much healthier than the way
me
that I
too.
used to make it. But for anyone who's in a super hurry and like you just want to make it really quick and you're making a million other things, like you can use the canned
Sweet potatoes or yams.
I did canned yams and they're in like a syrup, so you don't have to do this whole next
Got
step
it.
that we're about to do with brown sugar, butter, and all that, and you just pour the
Pour it all
yams
in.
in here and you just put the marshmallows on top.
Okay.
But let's do it.
So we're gonna come over here, and in an already heated saucepan, we're going to, over medium heat, combine the margarine, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay, so we're gonna do this until the marshmallows kind of melt down, and then we're gonna mix in the potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay. This
Good.
looks good. I feel like now we can pour it into the casserole dish
And then put
and
marshmallows
put more
on top.
marshmallows on top, and we'll be ready to go. All right, so we're gonna bake it on 400 for 15 minutes, and then when we take it out, we'll put on the marshmallows, and then we'll bake it again until the marshmallows are golden brown.
Perfect. Oh, our green bean casserole's ready.
Yum. Moment of truth. Mmm. Wow. It's actually really good.
So good, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like naughty.
But like so yummy and like comforting.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put on the marshmallows. Is there a strategy, or do you
I
just...
like to add a few big ones because I think it's like a surprise
Okay.
once in a while, like that.
Okay, and then just scatter all the little ones.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna put it back in until the marshmallows are golden brown.
Okay.
Ooh,
that looks so good.
Great job on the marshmallow placement.
It's a masterpiece. Smells
Smells
so good. If you try our amazing recipes, don't forget to hashtag Poosh Palette and tag us and like and comment below.
And have a happy holiday.
Happy holidays. Yum.
Really good.
Mmm.